Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can set your general goals in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the Settings button. And then click on the Profile button. And at the Personal Details section, look for the Goals button and click on that. And as you can see, at the first section, you can set your starting weight, your current weight, your goal, your weekly goal, and the activity level. So just click on the ones that you want to set, and then once you set it, just click on the tick button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.